I just installed this Anzzi Del Moro pull-out faucet here. It's in a rubbed oil finish, and you can see it'll pull out quite a bit. It's the first faucet we've had on this sink, and this is an Anzzi sink, and that would reach this far in it. And this is a 32-inch wide deep sink, and that was real important to us, that we had something that would reach down to clean out from under this rack. And let me just demonstrate that for you. I've got it cut on now, and this thing has great flow too, the best flow we've had in a kitchen faucet in years. I actually timed it, and it's getting better flow than they even advertise. They advertise it at 1.8 gallons a minute, and I'm actually getting 2.4 gallons a minute flow through it. Right here you can set it to spray, and you can hear that sprayer. I mean, it really sprays out, and you can see how much easier it would be to clean food out from around this rack. And like I say, we've had several other Anzzi products. This sink is an Anzzi product, and down below, the garbage disposal that's installed in here is also Anzzi. And we've had nothing but good things to say about them. We've got some of their fixtures in our bathrooms. It has a rhino finish. It's supposed to be a great finish. I know Anzzi is headquartered in Florida, and I know they carry different lines of plumbing. We really like this one. You can see it'll swerve completely around to either side. Hot is forward. There's hot. There's both. There's cold. Just a great faucet if you're looking for a kitchen faucet that'll really get the job done, looks good, and matches all of our oil rubbed other fixtures and knobs and things like that. Anzzi Del Moro pull down single lever faucet. Thank you.